So in order to unlink your Instagram and your Facebook account, it's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is obviously load up the Instagram application and sign into the account you want to unlink. Once you've done this, you want to click on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then you want to click on the 3 lines in the top right. From here, you want to click on settings. Once you're on the settings menu, you want to click on account, and then you want to click on linked accounts. And then here it's going to show you all of your linked accounts. Now of course, if you want to unlink your Facebook, you want to click on the Facebook at the top, and then you want to click on unlink account at the bottom. This pop-up box will appear and you just want to select unlink when you're ready. So just to double check that it's unlinked, you want to click on Facebook at the top, and here it's asking us if we want to connect to our Facebook, which in this case we don't. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.